Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a flexi rod set. So I asked you guys on my community tab, what style should I do next? And surprisingly, you guys said flexi rod set. I just knew you guys were gonna pick the silk press, but you guys didn't. And I was hoping you guys would, but you guys didn't, and it's okay. I haven't done a flexi rod set on the channel before, so I thought it was a great idea. So yeah, I already prepped my hair for this. I did wash my hair this morning. I shampooed, deep conditioned, added a leave-in, and then I used the Rev Air dryer to stretch my hair. If you guys haven't seen that tutorial of me using that super expensive hair dryer, I will link it above in the iCard so that you guys can check it out. So I did go to the beauty supply store and I picked up 6 packs of flexi rods. I decided to get the gray ones. I feel like these are, you know, a great size for my length of hair, and I picked up 6 of them. This might be way more than I need, but I like to have more tools than less tools, because when I'm filming, ain't nobody got time to be stopping to go back to the beauty supply store. And they were pretty inexpensive. It was just $1.99 per pack. So yeah, definitely nothing to cry about. So I'll only be using one product to help me with my rod set. I'm gonna go in with the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. This is Bay, or this is what you need to get a really nice rod set. A mousse is a must. I like the Dew Mousse as well, the Mousse Step Foam. That's another product that you guys can try if you guys don't have the Lotta Body. You can go in with the Dew. So yeah guys, let's get into it. My hair is already sectioned off. I think for each section I'm just gonna split my hair in 2. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Take my clip and clip this away. Yeah, I think that's good enough. And then I'm gonna take a generous amount of the wrapping foam. 2 pumps seems pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Smells really nice as well. And then I'm gonna work the foam through my hair. Then I'm gonna get the flexi rod and I'm gonna start with my root. And I'm gonna wrap it tightly around. And just twist that bad boy up. So I'm going to detangle this section. And then I'm going to get the foam. I'm going to do 2 pumps. And then I'm going to put it on the section. I'm going to take my Denman brush and just make sure the product is evenly distributed. So then I'm going to twist the roots. And then I'm going to get my flexi rod and just twist it around very tightly. And once I get to the end, I just bend the rod upwards to secure it. And that's that. Alright guys, so I am done putting in all the rods. So I put in 19 rods in total in my hair. You can do less if you'd like, just make bigger sections. If you want more definition or want them to be a little bit more spirally, definitely add more. So I'm actually going to sit underneath the hooded dryer for about an hour, and then I'll come back and unravel it for you guys. Alright guys, so I am back. So I did sit underneath the hooded dryer for maybe about 45 minutes, and then it took maybe about 30 minutes for me to do my makeup. So while I was putting on my shirt, this came loose, so I am going to begin the takedown process. I'm going to put some of this Luster's Pink Natural Oil Blends. This is their True Shine Oil Mist on my fingers. And then I'm just going to go ahead and unravel. I really hope my hair is dry, you guys, because that's honestly key to getting a really bomb set. It doesn't feel all that dry, to be honest. But we just gonna go with it. Hopefully it still comes out really nicely. Alright, let's keep going. Ouch. Yeah. Woo. Y'all saw that? I hit myself in the eye with the rod. Okay. Okay, so it's all done, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and separate them. I would suggest when you're doing your rod curls to definitely keep them in overnight, just to ensure that they properly dry. Wow, y'all, so pretty. Wow. Hope you guys can see it really good. First, y'all, my eye still hurts. from getting popped in my eye with a flexi rod. But y'all, look at these. What do y'all think? Of course, I need to shape it up a little bit. But these are the curls. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a little some to my edges. So I'm going to go in with the Arcani Coil Care. Just going to add some right here. Nothing much. Nothing too crazy. And then just give it a nice little swoop-de-doop. Take another one and just add it right here. Perfect. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys really like the results. If you guys did, be sure to smash that like button, you guys. Definitely thumbs up this video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you guys are feeling today's hairstyle. Also, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, join the family, okay? You know, it's a lot of good stuff over on my channel, so definitely subscribe to my channel. Turn on your bell so you do not miss an upload from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.